Aisha Khanna is back with a new video, and this video is especially for the students who are pursuing 9th to 12th standard in their school education under CBSE board. आप सबको कुछ एक आइडिया तो लग गया होगा through your schools or your coaching centers that there is a new notification for CBSE student. क्योंकि आप सब इस भ्रम में ना रहें that you are not going to attempt your exams. It would be just like it happened with your seniors or your juniors with 10. तो इस चीज़ को क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए CBSE ने आपको प्रॉपर नोटिफिकेशन में डिटेल प्रोवाइड की है that in this case there is no chance कि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे. Rather they have divided your whole syllabus in 2 terms. और बच्चों प्लीज़ बी केयरफुल, इस बार एक नहीं 2 बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होने वाले हैं. So if we talk about the whole official notification, they have provided that due to this COVID-19 pandemic, all situations were worst and they were unable to take any kind of exams for almost last 2 sessions. Exams were not properly taken. And they have to provide the result on some average basis or some school assessment basis. But right now they have officially said that in academic session 21-22, there will be definitely board exams. और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला कि इट्स नॉट वन टाइम, दिस इज गोना बी ट्वाइस. सो इन्होंने कहा है कि देयर शुड बी कोर कंसेप्ट बेस्ड, स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक, ट्रांसपेरेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन. मतलब दीज ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी टेकन अ पार्ट ऑफ योर एग्जाम. मतलब अब जो आपके एग्जाम होंगे दैट आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी बेस्ड होली ऑन योर रिटन प्रैक्टिस. इन्होंने सर्कुलर में स्पेशली मेंशन किया दैट ऑल योर क्लास परफॉर्मेंसेस, your projects, your assignments, everything is gonna be considered. So be very careful and do not avoid the homeworks given by your teacher. Moreover, they have given a special scheme for 21-22 जिसमें इन्होंने 3 सब points बनाए हैं. First point says that your session is gonna be divided into 2 terms with approximately 50% of the syllabus. And definitely you will soon receive a notification to clarify the syllabus that you are going to prepare for your examinations. So they are saying they need your expertise in your subjects, and definitely board exams will be conducted at the end of each term. Now the board exams are not going to be come in only March or April time period. You have to give your board exams in first term in during November and December. Definitely they are going to provide you an advanced date sheet and syllabus to prepare for the same, but please be careful and do not wait for April or March. Do not wait for that time period. इस बार सेशन थोड़ा सा आपके लिए ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग होने वाला है because it's about online classes जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम भी आ रही है. Moreover, they are going to definitely take board exams. और जो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स का इन्होंने दूसरा पॉइंट दिया है, it says the syllabus for board examination will be rationalized similar to that of last academic session to be notified in July 2021. So soon you will receive your final syllabus for both the terms. And third point is given as efforts will be made to make internal assessments, practicals, project work to be more credible and valid. मतलब this time it's not easy. तो आपके लिए गुड न्यूज़ भी है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट 2 बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. और इसमें गुड न्यूज़ क्या है दैट योर syllabus is not going to be compiled for the second board exams. It's really good for you. Earlier we all used to face a problem कि अगर हमने first term में जितना syllabus किया है, for the second term we just have to add up the whole syllabus and then we are going to prepare for the same. But this time all the best. You have just got half of syllabus and definitely you are going to receive your exam paper in those syllabus only, in those chapters only. Syllabus is not going to be compiled for your final board exams. They have given a detail for the curriculum transactions for 9th and 10th. For internal assessment especially, they have written throughout the year, irrespective of term 1 or term 2, there will be 3 periodic tests. So students, बच्चों, those who are from 9th and 10th, please be careful. आपके 3 periodic test होंगे and take that serious because ये board exams में आपके add होंगे. Second is student enrichment profile and practical work, speaking, listening activities or projects. So whatever the activities your teachers are giving you, या आपको कोई भी project मिल रहा है, take that very serious. For 11th and 12th, they have given that internal assessment that is going to be throughout, irrespective of again term 1 and term 2 board exams, would include end of topic or unit test, explanatory activities or practicals or project. ये internal assessment ऐसे ही नहीं लग जाएगी. Definitely, if they are going to increase their weightages, if they are going to increase their competitiveness, तो इसके लिए उन्होंने स्कूल को ये भी गाइडेंस दी है that they are going to prepare their proper students report. और ये रिपोर्ट आपकी जाएगी बोर्ड में, and they'll be adding their your board examination marks and final result will be declared. Now they have explained term 1 examination and term 2, that means year-end examination separately. If we talk about term 1 examination, they have written that it would be a kind of window period of 4 to 8 weeks for the schools of different parts of the country. That means your exams are going to be taking place in November and December. It will take 4 to 8 weeks. Dates for the conduct of examination will be notified subsequently. एंड क्वेश्चन पेपर, ये बात थोड़ा सा ध्यान देने की है, आज तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है दैट योर बोर्ड एग्जाम इज 100% MCQ बेस्ड. अब आप इसको एज एडवांटेज लेते हैं या आपके लिए डिफिकल्टी इंक्रीज होती है, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू एंड योर प्रिपरेशन. ट्राई टू ग्रैब बेस्ट क्लासेस, ट्राई टू ग्रैब बेस्ट एजुकेशन. आप अपनी सेल्फ स्टडी पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए. एंड जब मैंने ये नोटिफिकेशन पढ़ी थी, आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट I would suggest you that you just have to read each and every single line very carefully, because I was also telling my students that it's not only about subjective questions. Subjective questions can be like you are going to write a general answer, at least you can get some marks. But if we talk about MCQs, this is gonna be very challenging for you all, because you cannot write a general answer. You have to stick to a particular answer that can be wrong or right. So for that they have given a detail like question paper will have MCQ including case based MCQs. My God, earlier it was too difficult to attempt business studies case studies जो कि आपको 6 to 8 marks में भी मिलती थी. अब आप खुद imagine कीजिए if it is these questions are of 1 or 2 marker and you are receiving case studies, so it can be challenging. You just have to manage your time to the best manner. Duration of the test will be 90 minutes and it will cover the syllabus which will be provided for the term 1. And again they have written it would be approximately 50% of your entire syllabus. They have written marks of the term 1 examination will contribute to the final overall score of the students. So please half yearly score आप easy मत लेना, because this time half yearlies are also going to be under boards. Now if we talk about term 2 examination, they have given that it can be a year-end examination, definitely again 50% syllabus, and you are going to attempt your final examination as usual. जो हमारा normally चलता है session, it's going to be started in March and it will end up to April. And this paper will be of 2 hours duration. Earlier, remember, हमारा 3 hours का एग्जाम हुआ करता था. Additional 15 minutes to be provided for reading and all, right? So please make yourself aware today only. It's not like you are going to receive some extra time to prepare for all this. आपके पास समय अभी है, आप अभी अपनी प्रिपरेशन शुरू कीजिए and do your best. And this paper will be of 2 hours duration, which will include case-based question, situation-based question, open-end, short answer type, long answer type. मतलब ultimately this could be your normal paper, जो हम पहले भी attempt करते थे, but that was of 3 hours, and this time it is gonna be for only 2 hours. In case the situation is not conducted for normal descriptive examination, a 90-minute MCQ based will be conducted at the end of term 2 also. मतलब इस बार बचने का कोई रास्ता नहीं है आपके पास. Please trust me and make yourself aware. वो साफ उन्होंने इसमें लिखा है कि This time it won't happen कि आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स नहीं होंगे. They are saying कि if situations are not in a favor, then they are going to take again MCQ based question like your examination, and that too within 90 minutes. 2 hours भी नहीं. So please do not think कि आपको कोई chance मिलेगा, and do not pray to God कि situation कुछ extend हो जाए. Just practice hard, make yourself expert in your subjects. Then they have given definitely as per different types of subjects you will be getting your assessments and your project work, and this is something which is usual. Earlier also we used to get this. So through this circular now, I actually want to make you aware that please make yourself very much serious about your studies, especially 10th and 12th students. आपके सीनियर्स के साथ जो हुआ है वो आपके साथ नहीं होगा. मेक इट क्लियर. Try to practice maximum questions, and for MCQs I'll definitely work on it, and right now I am also having a Telegram channel with Commerce for You. I will provide the link in the description. You can join this group because on regular basis I am actually providing MCQs based on not only one subject but on the 3 subjects, and that too for 11th and 12th standard both. Right now I am covering accountancy, economics and business studies, and as per your demand I can increase the number of questions or its frequency, but please prepare yourself and ask your doubt in the comment box. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon with that again, interest on drawing. Thank you.